I'm fry the saltfish kind of fresh. I'm get saltfish kind of fresh, so I can make it boil out too much. So I'm gonna go add some salt to it. What's else going to do, sir? Smell. Smells good. So after 2 minutes, or after the seeds done fry up, it depends on how high your fire is. Once the seeds done fry up and get the season, higher season, onion and pepper, everything flavor in another oil, you go in with the saltfish, you see me? We got half my saltfish right here, half pound. Sorry that. Honestly, this tomato, they were too red. We want it more redder. You see me, so, yeah? That's what it is. Earlier, I'm frying the saltfish kind of fresh. I'm getting saltfish kind of fresh, so I can make it boil out too much. So I'm going to go add some salt to it. What's else going to do, sir? And look at the black pepper. Don't want too much in it, bro. When I work, man. Yeah? I'm going to look at Maggie and purpose. One boat done. Alright, let us stir it. Turn it out and go to. Then I'll just eat. Yeah. Now go on. Look more salt in it. Yeah. Don't like that. Time to start share food now. Yeah, done. I can't stop. Oh yeah. Yeah man. Hold on now. Hold on, go on. I'm showing you one going right now, you know? Yeah, you can't see that phone just for a while ago, but you have some hot cakes over yourself. Yeah? See the dumpling got nice and shape? 1. 2. 1 orange potato tonight. Then boil soft, you know. Alright, go ahead, 1 banana. That is it, no more than that. 16 and good in your plate. Yeah? So go in with the saltfish now. Yeah, we that. Yeah. Right, yeah, see that? Boiled food, saltfish. Cook up saltfish, isn't it? Ready. Right, boss. They were pushing the could stop and we keep it. Hey. Yeah. I'm out. Right, in the winter, and it be a snow, you know, this morning and last night, you know. So, right now, some hot cakes in my stomach, you know. So, I'll consume this food right now, pray first, and then just go in and amen. Right there, got some saltfish. Boiled food. You know where you go? Yeah, peeps, see them here, look? I see them look. You see me? Alright, let's see what I'm going in now. See the garlic, thyme, onion, pepper, everything else in one scoop with that one flour. Hot like a fire in the car, cakes, you know. What's your flavor? Hot what? Too hot. Cool it down more. Yeah, man. So one of my favorite meal to you. I love that one, you know. But I like it with enough tomato in it. I tomato red. The tomato by the store. You know, Canada is in Jamaica this way. Kind of weak, you know, red enough. But the circle still, you know. What is that? Where's that? Banana. Alright, guys. What is it? Salad and boiled food. Thank you guys for watching this video, okay? I appreciate it. You know what to do already. Like, share, and subscribe, okay? Yeah, saltfish. Boiled food. Oh, not tough. No joke. I like some more saltfish though.